Hi, I'm Dr. Marianne, founder of Step-by-Step Dyslexia Solutions. I hope you're doing well. I was just at a thrift shop and I was actually looking for a nice antique table for my office. And what I came across were poker chips, a whole kit with different color chips. And I remember years ago, I was at an estate sale and I saw the same kind of chips and I was going to buy them and take them into the classroom and help my students learn to read. And all I kept thinking about was someone's going to complain that I'm using poker chips to help kids read. And whether, I've just seen so many complaints about so many different things that, it held me back from buying those chips. But I want to tell you now that when I'm teaching kids to read, you know what I use to help them read? These little chips. And they're two colors, so I can use them for sounds of a consonant and sounds of a vowel. So I want to give you some free lessons here right now. If you're a parent who really wants to help your child read, the first thing you can do is go to a thrift shop and get some poker chips or purchase them from Staples or wherever you want to shop, Target. Get some poker chips. And you can look for three-letter words. I have them in my book, but you can download them. For example, the words bed, hat, lid, rim, bun, dig, dug, jug. Pull the circles down and every circle gets a sound. So you want to use one color for the vowels and one color for the consonants. So bed's going to be b, e, d. Now you might not be familiar with your vowel sounds or your consonant sounds. We don't want to drop our chin when we say d. We don't want to say duh. We don't want to say la. We want to say ooh. So those are just things we learn. But I'm having a webinar coming up on June 17th from 2 to 3. And I'm going to take you through 3 of my steps. One of them is using the circles, how you can effectively use circles to help your child learn to read. And the other one is letters. I'm going to show you how we use letters to start off my reading program. It's not your typical Orton Gillingham method. It's very unique, where we put the consonants in front of the vowels and then behind the vowels. And it's to just build some auditory memory, visual memory. And then thirdly, I'm going to take you on a journey with me to look at my app. So the app CDSM is free on Android and iOS. It's a free download until you get to exercise 11. So you have 10 exercises that are free. Well, I'm going to take you on a journey with me so you can hear how music plays in the left ear and the spelling words play in the right ear. And how it impacts the brain is based on the neuroscience of music and how it impacts reading. So head out today, get your poker chips and start collecting your materials. If you want to pick up some letters, you can go to 99-cent store and get some plastic letters. And we're going to have a little hands-on workshop on June 17th from 2 to 3 Pacific Standard Time. I hope you join me. I've met so many adults who are dyslexic that said, when I was a child, I wish there would have been someone like you to help me. Because when I was in school, I struggled and my self-esteem was so low. And so it's the self-esteem that we really want to address, because when dyslexic children can't read, their genius is trapped behind a low self-esteem. Let's get them reading. Let's build their self-esteem so that they can realize their potential and unlock their genius minds. Thanks for listening, and save the date, June 17th. And you can go to my website, dyslexia-solutions. Reach out to me if you don't see the link, but it's there. Thank you. Bye-bye now.